Hi everyone, I'm back. So today I'm going to tell you something about a new movement in which I'm a part and transforming myself. So this is not actually a new thing to be told to you guys. You all know these facts, but I'm just theorizing it in a particular way so that it is strategically uh, may be followed by you to achieve your goals. So everyone have a certain goal of achieving certain thing. People generally know the way how to achieve it, but many people lack the connecting bridge to achieve it. So because of that, uh, for example, a success. Let's take the success. If there are thousand people entering business field, if everyone wants to be Ambani, everyone wants to become like Ambani, but only one person become like Ambani because he has practiced all those things which are required to get that success, that amount of success. And today I'm going to tell you that magical trick through which you can achieve your goal very easily. So, are you ready to know the magical trick? So here I am with an affirmative statement. What is that affirmative statement? I'm hero. I may sound crazy, mad when I say that I'm hero without doing any work. Since I'm not doing any work. You haven't done any great thing. How can you be hero? But if you self affirmate yourself that you are hero, you will be one day a real hero. And this I am hero is not a word, it's an acronym. It has an abbreviation. So what like those these seven letters IAMHERO are the seven important traits for an individual to achieve success in his future, or you may also consider it as seven building blocks for you to reach Mount Everest if you're aiming for that. So let me tell you the first I. I'm Hirome. What I stands for integrity. So what is integrity? Integrity is something that you'll bind yourself like you think that I'm integrated to do this task. So you promise yourself that I will read a particular chapter today. So you have to stand by your word and you have to read. If in a case you are not able to read, then you have to admit to yourself that you won't be able to read and you will be postponing it and reading it later when you are free. So you are in that integrity process, you will be accepting the failures which hindered you to do that task, and you will be also accepting the success. Okay, first, what does I stands for? Integrity. A stands for attention. So attention is one of the important thing. So whenever you do whichever task you do, you have to give your 100%. You have to work attentively. You have to not think about anything. It's not an easy thing to achieve. Attention is not at all easy thing. You can only achieve attention only when you practice it over doing it a long time. Attention. And then, so if attention is our goal, the next letter following A is M. It is our the process through which we can achieve attention. What is that M? That is M is called meditation. So many people who in yoga or who know about how to achieve peace, how to achieve attention, will always tell you one thing to do is meditate. When you start meditating, you'll be in the meditation process, you'll be asked to focus on your breath. When you start focusing on your breath, in the same way attention may you'll start focusing on one thing, so your attention increases rapidly with the help of meditation. And then H, what does H stand for? Habits. So if you take one thing like if you take one thing like I want to directly climb, I want to be an mountaineer and I want to climb Mount Everest. You can't directly go and climb Mount Everest, na? You have to do and inculcate certain daily practices which will help you to achieve that goal. Like my aim is to be a lawyer, so I'll daily read law related stuff. I daily argue to myself, articulate the stuff. If your aim is like a bodybuilder, you regularly have to focus on your fitness. If your aim is to be a cricketer, so you have to focus much on your fitness, your batting techniques, bowling techniques, fielding. And for example, your aim is to a businessman, you have to learn various things regarding business, which are the new emerging fields. So every field differs in their habits, having their habits, but you have to have certain habits to make it into real. Okay. And then what does E stands for? So we have first let me tell you a story regarding like about this. um you have heard about UN SDG goals, sustainable development goals. So, sustainable development. What does sustainable development means? Sustainable development means development of urban places, rural places, biodiversity all together, which doesn't compromise on building industries, doesn't should not compromise on getting our environment polluted. So, sustainable development is a development which balances that. So, why I'm telling that, you have to also grow sustainably. That means your studying does not mean that you are becoming fatter, you are becoming weak, you are becoming extremely tired. So you have to read, you have to do your other activities habits, as well as you need to exercise, so that every day, so that you'll get a physical fitness, which is quite essential. So people who are generally fit will live longer. That will help you to reach your goal as and increase your proximity of achieving it, and that will keep you fit, that will immunize your immunity. So you, with physical fitness, you'll grow a immunity to diseases, you won't be affected with that. Okay. Then what is R is essential thing which is considered as every essential thing which is considered as everyone advises us. What is that? Reading. So why I'm emphasizing on reading in reaching your goal is like you have to read a lot, because you may not hear the words of Karl Marx because he has died long ago, but you can get those words through his writings. So if you read those readings, you get the ideas of Karl Marx, or maybe some greatest entrepreneur who has been in third century, like Chanukya who wrote Arthashastra, Prince, written by Nicholas Machiavelli. So this gives a wide range of ideas. So you have to constantly read on books which are going to help you. Read books which help you to achieve psychological peace, achieve greatness in your life. Like one of the best book to read is Secret by Randaban, which explains about the next letter. So what is O? Outright visualization. What does outright visualization mean? So you have to always visualize yourself, always prepare yourself that you'll be achieving that goal in near future. Like if you want to be Ambani, just visualize yourself that you are going to be Ambani, and you are hiring all costly car, you are managing Reliance deals. Or if you want to be a professor, just assume and practice every day that you are teaching around 1200 people. That's outright visual. This I am hero is a magic way to achieve your success, but this all needs dedication. You have to achieve it. You have to do it on a regular basis. Okay. More power to you guys.